Welcome, today I'm with Realme Narzo 30 and I will show you the face unlock test. So we are going to check how fast this smartphone works when we are talking about the face unlocking, and also if it is reliable, so it can recognize my face in every try. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so I think it's a little bit slower than the sensor. I mean the fingerprint sensor, but it's still very fast, honestly. The good point that it also recognizes my face at every try, and it works very smooth. As you can see, there's no any lag, no bugs, no problems. And there's also the cool animation in the camera cutout in the left upper corner. So yeah, that's how the face unlock perform on the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.